Namaste everyone. So let's begin with uploading code to our AVR based chip using our very own USBASP program. Here you can see a 10-pin ISP connector with its pinout diagram next to it. As you can clearly observe, it's based on SPI based protocol. On connecting your USB programmer to your PC, you should find it under Device Manager with name USB ASP. In case you don't find your device there, make sure to recheck your device drivers. Okay, so now we have to download Microchip Studio, which was earlier known as ATmega Studio, for our project development. Moving on, creating new project is easy. Click New Project, select GCC C Executable Project or C++ based on your choice of language. Select your board, hit OK, and it's done. For now, I will open my earlier application, Motion Lights. You need to create an external tool before proceeding any further. Click Add, give a name, add your AVR root path and arguments. Click OK to save. So AVR Dude is basically helpful in flashing code to your AVR based chips. More on it later. Be very careful with your fuse bits. You would have noticed fuse bits in the arguments earlier. Program it with care. You may check out this site. You can set feature configurations or even manually set your fuse bits. Be careful never to unprogram SPI EN bit as you can disable the SPI based chip programming feature. Connect your USB programmer with SPI pins of the selected chip at Mega 16A in my case after reading the datasheet. So let's upload our code finally. Before uploading, make sure to build your program. After successful build, click on the USB ASP tool that we created earlier and wait until flashing of the program is completed. Remember the AVR path that we talked about while we were creating our external tool? For that, let's download WinAVR. Once downloaded, under the bin folder you can find the AVR application. This is the path that was added in the command section of the external tool. So that's it from my side. Enjoy coding, enjoy creating. If you like the content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. फिर मिलेंगे